This is pretty much the home screen of the application, very easy to use. Here you have the server option. This is pretty much where you go to select your servers, and I've reviewed a ton of these applications. They all look the same and they all have the same servers. So here we see pretty much all the servers that they have available. They have only United States servers. So you can select any one of those servers. Once you have selected the server that you want to use, pretty much knock on the connection button here. We'll ask for connection request. Let's knock on OK. We'll start connecting in no time. But this VPN, I've reviewed tons of these VPNs before. They're pretty much no good. I don't recommend anyone using them, but if you want to give it a try, this is pretty much the tutorial for you. And you can see here, you do get 3 minutes of connection time, which is very ridiculous. I'm not sure why would they give you 3 minutes of connection time. And you'll be able to add 2 minutes of connection time, which again is crazy. 2 minutes of connection time is very, very crazy, guys. But anyways, that's pretty much how you use this application or VPN application here. It does work. It's not that fast either. You don't get much time to stay connected, so that's not a very good VPN application if you ask me. But anyways, see you in the next one.